Hi all. In this session, let's learn about variables in C++ program. Topics to be covered in this session are introduction to variables in C++ program, syntax for variable declaration, and finally, let's see an example program for this. As a part of introduction, we all know that the variables are very basic unit of storage in a program. And a variable is a name which is given to a memory location. All the operations which is done on the variable affects that memory location. The value which is stored in a variable can be changed during the program execution. C++ variables must be declared before it is being used inside the program. And we have certain rules to be followed while declaring the variables. So all the variable names must be begin with the letter of an alphabet or an underscore. After the letter, it can be containing a number or even followed back with the letters. Variable names are case sensitive. So no space or special characters are allowed. You cannot use the C++ keyword, which is also called as reserved words as a variable name. Next, syntax for variable declaration. So for declaring a single variable, the syntax is data type space variable name ended with semicolon. So for declaring the single variable with initialization of the value, the syntax is data type space variable name equal to, it is nothing but the assignment operator, value ended with semicolon. For declaring multiple variables, the syntax is data type variable name separated by comma. We can have n number of variables and ended with semicolon. Next, let's check this example program. So in this program, the first statement is int a comma b semicolon, which means that the variable a and b are declared as integer data type. Next, a is equal to b is equal to 8, which means a and b are assigned or initialized to the value 8. Then float c. So c is a variable which is declared as floating data type, and c is equal to 5.5. So the variable c is assigned with the value 5.5. So next statement is character D is equal to capital A, which is given inside the single quotes ended with the semicolon. Since it is the character data type, the value is being given inside the single quote. Int E is equal to A plus 1. A plus 1 is an expression which is being assigned to the variable E of data type int. So we all know that the value of the variable A is 8 and it is being incremented by 1 in this statement. So using cout statement, I have displayed the value of the variables A, B, C, D, and E to the users. So the value of A, B is 8, which has been assigned here. And the value of C is 5.5. And the value of D is capital A. And the value of E is A plus 1. That is 8 plus 1. Value is 9. Hope you all understood the program. Thank you all.